beautiful family. Welcome back to another one of our lovely videos. So I am here at the Home Depot right now because I am going to search for a refrigerator. I've already tried Facebook Marketplace, but everything was, I don't know, all dinged up and just not what I was looking for, because you already know I'm gonna check there first. But the good thing about buying new, I can get the warranty with it if anything goes bad with it. So that's why I'm here. So let's go inside. Good morning, family. I just heard like some donkeys up front, so I came outside and I don't see them. I just cannot catch them, but I see all the poop everywhere in the yard. But the tree is getting more, look like it's growing bigger. I do need to reattach that, I think, back to it. But let's go over here and check on the, what is it, the oleander tree. Ooh, the flowers are getting prettier. Look, you guys, be careful. Watch out for, look how pretty. Oh, beautiful. You don't know how happy that makes me. Gorgeous. Maybe I can go find another one today and plant like 2 more. Hopefully they got some nice looking ones this time. Gorgeous. So pretty. Love it. Okay, family, and this tree right here is doing okay. Go back a little bit. There we are. The apple tree. Not looking too good, but I'm still having faith in you, little apple tree. You can do this. You can grow. You can come back. Yeah, talk to it. Okay, family, I was so upset because I had bought all these curtains. I had to drive to Las Vegas, look everywhere for some cream 8-inch or 9-inch curtains. in length. And this is what's happening to them. All of these red, let me turn this way. I don't know, can you see it? Well, it's bright red. It's showing up brown on camera. It just looks like blood splatter all over these new curtains, and it's everywhere. Right there, up here, up there. We're everywhere. Right there, big spot. Looks like blood. Right here, yellow stuff coming down there, all over the curtains. I'm like, what insect lets off like red, oh, let me focus. Yeah, what insect lets off red, like slime or bodily fluids or whatever? And so now I found out. Hold on, take off my shoes. It's the moths. Hold on, make sure you can see. Can you see that? And then you see the red, it's dead, but it let off some kind of red, maybe it is blood, I don't know. But that's crazy, so I gotta figure out a way to keep these moths out of here. I mean, and at night while I'm trying to sleep, they're flying all over me. Let me focus this camera. But of course, you guys, I still don't have, at the top, like all up here, you see how you can still see the outside? All that's open, so of course, you know, insects are gonna get in here. So I wanna get that fixed ASAP, especially before monsoon season. See? So it's easy for them to get in here. Okay, yeah. So Judah and I just got back from the store. I am so sorry, you guys. I totally forgot to record everything I was doing. Sorry. It'd be like that sometimes. But anyways, I got this oleander tree, and yes, the flowers look dead already because I had it wrapped in plastic, and I went into Walmart for like an hour, and they just look like they're dying because they couldn't breathe. But there it is, and I'm trying to figure out right now where I'm going to plant it at. I'm thinking maybe where I had this Mondel pine tree planted. Can't plant those on the property because the animals keep eating it. You see, they tore that tree up. They love that. So I don't know if I'm going to put it over there, right here, or where I had the pine trees at over there because they ate those too. But we'll see. Oh, and I bought these right here, these solar lights, and they're 100 lumens. The other ones I got, I think, are only 30 or 50 or something like that. Just need some brighter lights out here. What you doing, Judah? What you doing, boy? So I'm going to go ahead and put it right over here instead of where I showed you guys. So it'll be right there beside the house. Yay, let's get busy. Thank the Lord it's not a super hot day today. I think it's like maybe 86 it got up to today. All right. Oops. So I went ahead and pulled this one up out of here, the Mondel pine. Oh, sorry, let me move this out of your way. There, can y'all see that? Can you see? There, hopefully you can. Oh, I thought this hole would be deeper. Now I gotta put in some work, pour some water. Use this little thing right here. Dig the hole deeper. Woo! My goodness, you guys. This is some work. You hear me? Oh my goodness. Now I'm hot. All right, I think I'm gonna dig just a little bit more so it could be a little bit wider. This is hot. Okay. Don't fall over. I hope this hole is deep enough. I really do. The moon is gorgeous tonight. I wish it would show up on camera, but it's not. It's so pretty in person. Family, so planting that tree did not work out. It was a wonky tree in the beginning. I should have never bought it, but I just put it in this pot for now, and hopefully those flowers just fall off and some new ones come. And I got some stuff to tie that in there so it doesn't bend like that. But yeah. So I have my friend Rob with me today. We are in his truck so we can head out and start looking for him and his wife some land, some property today. We actually are right here around the corner from my house. And we did get a number. There was like a really old sign laying on the ground, and that property's for sale, so he's probably going to check that out. But right now, just come along and ride with us. What is that over there? You see that? Is that somebody's camp? This is rugged, y'all. Rugged, rugged. Find a spot, you can always work the roads and make them better, you know. Like somebody tried to start a little camp over there. Just out here exploring, y'all. I've never been out this way before.
I wonder if we should go with the GPS saying and see. We should try and see this from this. Or should we try this way?
I would say try this way right here.
Okay. So I'm thinking it maybe.
Okay, family, this is actually the following day, and I do apologize that this video has been all over the place, like literally, but I am going to end the video here. And before I do, I wanted to ask you guys, well, ask my prayer warriors who love Jesus Christ and who are filled with his Holy Spirit to please pray that the delivery people are able to get up these crazy roads, these rough roads. So I don't want them to get like halfway here and they're like, ma'am, Sorry for your luck, but we can't deliver it. So please, and I really do appreciate it. So until the very next video, I will see you all later. Bye bye.